All right, Brian. Yes, what he's got? What he's got? Touch him. Touch him.
Oh, go boy.
Tell him what's he got.
Go boy. Oh, get it out there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's my good boy. Yeah, get that touch. Yeah, go boy. Go boy, go.
Brian, what I want you to do is go ahead and open that box and tell me what you find inside the box. Pull the box out a little bit and just tell me what you find. What is it?
Cell phone.
That's his first cell phone. A lot of praise. Bring him back. A lot of praise. It's payday.
Good boy. That is a really good boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good boy. Oh, boy.